I don't know if I'm dreaming. Is this real? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is real. Real. This is an easy Spanish word to learn and it's very similar to an English word. Yes, I'm talking about real. Real is an adjective and it means real, true, or in some situations it could mean royal. Real works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is reales. Reales. Now let's see a few examples using real. ¿Esto es real? ¿Esto es real? La historia es real. La historia es real. It actually happened. Debes ser responsable en la vida real. Debes ser responsable en la vida real. Sergio es parte de la familia real. Sergio es parte de la familia real. Las telenovelas no son reales. Las telenovelas no son reales. They're really dramatic. Mi amor por ti es real. Mi amor por ti es real. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Leave more examples down below using real. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!